Okay, going to try to make a video on the power third row in this 2008 Cadillac SRX. I guess I can do this. Okay, so that's open. So with the trunk empty, normally you'd go over here and you'd want to just push these buttons. However, you're supposed to pull this first and secure this in here. Then you'd be tempted to push this button. Let's see what happens when I do. Nothing happens. Okay, now the car's beeping. Did you hear that? So I'm going to press unlock 3 times. 3. Now. Holding the button. I have to hold it, by the way. As you can see, this is super slow. Okay, so that's done. Now, if you want to recline, you can press the recline button. Press it once, it'll go forward, and you can let go when you want. That's fully straight. Press it again. Fully recline. So you can basically choose your recline. Gives you a little bit more room in the back. There's also a button in front to recline. In this door, there is... Where is the button? Where's the button? So say I pull this seat forward. Ah, right here. Oh, that actually folds the seat. Okay, never mind. So that's not a recline button, that's a fold button. I'm still holding it. So I guess you don't have to do it from the rear. Boy, that's slow, huh? So that's technically done. So I guess I'll raise it one more time from the second row here. So you just open the second row. Now normally you would you'd have to move this booster seat out of the way, like over here. Just shove this over here. Make room, and I would then pull this lever here to fold that flat. And a child could probably climb over that, but if you didn't want to, you can pull this and fold it forward. Except there's crap. Yeah, you can see why. Okay, so I took stuff out of that thing. There, so now I folded the seat forward. Now you could actually climb in and press this button, except, see? You can see how annoying this is. 3. And it works again. Okay, and then somebody could conceivably climb back there, but there's no headrests. So now you have to go in the trunk again, pop open this little thing, and there are the headrests. So you would pull the headrests out. It's hard to do with one hand. And this part isn't the hardest. You just simply slide it in. And you would do that with the other one, and you have adjustable height, and then you would have a complete third row. But to reverse it, you would then have to take the headrest out, like this, open up the compartment. It's hard to do one-handed. Okay. Right? Then I have to to push the button. I don't know how many minutes it takes to time out.
What are you doing?
I'm showing the power third row. Hold on a second. Making a video. Gonna collapse this here. And then you would simply open this manually, flop that down, and then you have your cargo space restored. And then you would flop the seat back down after you clean up all the garbage in the car. There. So that's that.